Wheels are needed so that the car can move on the road. Suspension keeps the car from shaking, and brakes are used to stop the car. Let's install an engine and a battery. The engine makes the wheels turn so the car can move, and the battery helps start the engine and provides power for headlights, controls, and other systems. Now let's install a fuel tank. The fuel tank contains gasoline or other fuel. Let's install an interior of the car. This is the main interior space of the car to accommodate passengers and a driver. It's a separation barrier. Let's install it. This barrier is needed to separate police officers from the arrested people transported in the back seat. These are the controls of a car. They include a steering wheel, pedals, a gearbox, and a dashboard. Let's install them. All these things are necessary for a driver to control the car. And now we need to install a body. Body is the exterior part of the car, which is attached to the frame. It's time to install headlights and rear lights. The lights illuminate a road in the dark. There are also special lights that show the turn direction of the car. When the lights are turned on, other drivers can see the car in the dark. It's a flasher, but its correct name is emergency lighting. Let's install it. Emergency lighting attracts attention and shows other drivers that they must give the way to such a car. Amazing! Ready. Let's learn the construction of a fire truck and assemble it. First, let's install